Hi guys! In this video, we were playing an educational toy that my sister and my brother and we were cooking. We were cooking eggs. Here is the part where I and Jade, we were cooking the egg. She was whisking. She's so cute. Yeah, whisk, whisk, whisk. And guys, tell me about your day and how are you? Because I'm fine and I want to know if you're okay. You know, she was mixing the egg. The first time she was cooking. So cute. Whisk, whisk, whisk. So, yeah, it's turning yellow. And this is the part where Matthew was cutting the hot dogs in chopping. He was chopping the hot dogs. This part. He was so nice. And in this part, Jade and I were cooking the eggs. Here we we turn the stove up, the stove on, and then put the pan. Here is it. So, yeah, favorite pink, of course, pink. And here are the ingredients: hot dog, egg, onion, and salt, and olive oil. Here we were waiting for the pan to be ready, and the olive oil was on the pan. Here it is. Now we need to palm it all, and then wait and put the eggs on it. Here it is. She was so nice. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Okay, now the eggs. Here she's putting the eggs on it. Here it is. Comment down below, guys, if you're cooking or you want to know more or recipes, stuff like that. And here she's putting the onions. See, slices of onions. And here she was flipping it. Flip. Yay. Wow, it turned so great. And yeah, this is our morning educational day. Yeah. And guys, what do you do in your free time, your hobbies? Or do you do sports and other things? And then it was another egg. There was another egg. Da, 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 da. Here is the turn of the other eggs. Yay! So yeah, that's our educational day. It was so beautiful to do it. And guys, what do you do with your free time? Tell me and comment down below. Of course, if you like this video, please subscribe and turn on the notification bells and put a like. Thank you. And here Matthew was trying to flip it. They're so cute. And here was Jade's turn. And then, da-da! Then the onions. Wow, it turned so great. It looks so yummy. And then it was the turn of the, of course, another egg scramble. Wow. Another one. And then the turn of the onions, of course. Here it is. Then we lost it to cook. She was so happy that her egg turned so great. She was even so excited that she didn't flip it. And then the onions, of course. And then it was the turn of the onions. So she put it all of it. She wanted to do it, so I gave it her. And ta-da! It was all over it. Then you need to mix it. Mix. Some of them had fell off. She was mixing so fast. Mix. She wanted to cook all the onions first. And then it was the turn of the eggs. And then it was all yellow, like greenish. Then it was cooking. She was cooking it. So that was, her first time cooking. So she was super excited to do it. And that's the egg turning so great and was so beautiful. Then we were waiting for the egg to be ready to flip. Da-da, da-da, da-da. And here is the egg. It turned out so great. And she put in some of the salt. And then it's that. Some of the salt again. Of course, because salt is forever. No one can eat salt without it, because it's going to be so great with seasoning and all this stuff. And then we decided to make a scrambled egg. So yeah, here she was scrambling it. I was helping her. And that's how we do it. Tell me guys what you prefer about the eggs. A fried egg or a scrambled egg? Or boiled egg? Comment down below. Of course. And then it was ready, so she put it on the plate. It turned out so great. her first cooking, and it's so nice. And it is so nice. And then it was Matthew's turn to cook the hot dogs. Here it is. Some of oil. And then we were waiting and put the hot dogs. Wow, here they are. And then he was mixing it so we can all cook it. And we were waiting it for it to be ready and mix again. He was mixing it, of course, because he was so excited to do it. Of course, first time, it's always be an excitement moment, of course. And here was mixing it, of course. Mix, mix, mix. Guys, what you prefer about sliced hot dogs or a full hot dog entirely? Comment down below, of course, because I'm curious about it. And here we were putting the stars. They are red, so don't worry. He was putting it, and so it's gonna be cooked and very yummy. Here it is, ready to be eaten. I was so hungry, and then we turned it off. We turned off the stove, and we began to eat. It was so nice. It was yummy, guys. Yummy, yummy. It was yummy. Look at us. We were trying everyone's cooked. And ching ching. After we have eaten, Jade decided to wash the dishes. And here she is. Thank you guys for watching our videos. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bells. Ding ding ding, so you not will miss our videos. Thank you.